All right, fellas. So we are getting ready to head out to Texas. We are on our way to Austin, Texas. We do not have Johnny Edits with us. We do not. I figured I'd say fuck him. I'm going to leave him here and I'm just going to do this vlog with my phone. And then we're going to send John the clips and he's going to edit it at his house. On our way now to the airport, the Uber is almost on its way. This guy's coming along. He's hanging out. Dude's been in every vlog for the past month and he's not happy about it. We're trying to give the guy some business, but we get shit for it. Anyway, I'm going to vlog the whole weekend to show you guys a little behind the scenes action of what the fuck we got going on. We got MAC in the back. He's definitely not coming with us. Make sure you guys are rocking the merch, man. DukeGomez.com for all the best quality merch in the game. If you're not wearing it, you're not supporting me or the channel. So make sure you buy something off the site so I can afford to keep Johnny_edits. Make sure you're following John on Instagram, Johnny_edits for all the best quality video footage, photos. He might even take pictures of your mother's nudes for you if you want to just hire him. Love you all. Thank you for the support. And I look like a dick. First martini of the trip. It only took me 35 seconds to get down the hatch. We got JR over here making the magic work wild. This guy's loosening up for the first time ever.
Fired from her job for being in this vlog.
Probably. Don't fire her. All right, let's see what other essentials we need. I'm taking one of these. You know what? I gotta do it. Little fit check for the night for my hoes out there. Ooh, for the first time ever, I actually have to crouch down. Normally I'm a little too small. I gotta get on my tippy toes. Look at this, pal. I have to put the phone sideways because John yells at me if it's not sideways. I can't really lift my leg up, but I have dunks on. I can't do it. Shout out Dirt Studios for the t-shirt. Extra fire, that's my ass, nice and fat. That's what you get for squad 315. $50 Timu chain. Your mother ride my cock. Just living in, just hanging out, just having a good time, and just living large. We are out here in Austin, Texas. We're gonna get into some trouble, and that's fine. So if you're watching this, sock the inner outer core, the outside area, the perimeter of my ball sack.
Oh, we got. Oh, that's who it is. That's who it is. Yo, Zuckerberg, send this to Facebook, buddy. My man over here.
Wait. Ooh. Okay, so we got a fresh glass, right? And they gave this guy a schnoz. I wonder why. Just hanging out. Yo, let me get us in, Pop. What are you selling? This guy's selling shit in the front seat. What are you buying?
Dick.
You buying shit? Oh, he's buying dick. Oh, he's actually not racist. He likes it. Yep. And right there is me after a fucking couple martinis.
Here we go.
This guy is level.
This guy's...
Oh! You punch like a bitch.
Ready?
Oh, you ready now?
I'm gonna.
Oh boy.
Fuck this.
You gotta beat 275. Oh, you missed.
I missed.
Oh, you didn't even beat him. No, you beat him, Big White. Connect that shit. Big. Oh, that was good. Shit. Yo, extra dark. Hit him with the extra dark. Here we go. Oh! You still didn't get it. Oh, shit. Oh! What was yours?
I can beat it. 755. Ready?
Lay it on him. Lay it on him. Lay it on him. Ding!
Come on, sing it. Oh, fuck. Woo!
The hell's this guy doing?
Yeah. Shit.
Yo, Duke, you good?
Yeah, bro, I'm just using the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra that Manscaped gave me. I'm trying to polish up my balls right now.
Why are you sitting down?
Buddy, how else do you want me to shave my fucking ass with this thing? So can you get out and give me some privacy, asshole?
My fault, bro.
My nutsack literally feels like The Rock's head right now. Should I, I'm probably not allowed to show them, right? Yeah, whatever. Guys, the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra by Manscaped. Use my code GOMEZ for 20% off plus free shipping at manscaped.com. If you want to polish up your beanbag, Manscaped is the way to go. And if you don't want to smell like shit, they also provide this fantastic body wash that makes you smell absolutely fantastic. So if you want to get laid, go to manscaped.com, use my code GOMEZ and get yourself 20% off plus free shipping. Love yous. This is how you wake them up.
Woo! This is how you wake him up on a Saturday morning. Get a little crazy. Hey! Okay. Yo, what is he?
I'm gay.
Gay. Oh, little Diddy Rock.
We made it to the cowboy section of America. I mean, dude, boots for the price of $950. Is Buddy gonna
Expensive boots.
$1,200? How much are those? $6 grand? Dude, are those things gonna buff me up while I wear them?
Shit.
That dude puts his finger in a plug, his fucking hair is gonna stand up to the moon.
Never got touched in his life.
No. He could smash his head and be fine.
How the fuck does that guy wear a helmet? I don't even think he needs a helmet. He's got all the protection he needs right there. That's like a fucking dude's got a giant tumbleweed on the dome.
Big Buck is taking it to the rodeo.
Are you videotaping? The guy said we gotta go back 5:10. It's 5:09. Half empty, half full. Which one do you choose? Because I don't know either or. Another fucking day. I'm dressed like a dick. Just truly dressed like a dick. We got the bike. We got the bike here. I can't ride this shit. JR's taking over.
No one heard that but me. That was hilarious.
Austin, Texas. Weather is absolutely spectacular. Sweating out my berries right now, but we're having a great time. If you're not entertained, I apologize. I simply can't do shit. Yo, you don't like my vlogs?
Fucking hair.
Dude got a rollie on his wrist. $5.95 plus tax and retail. Ooh.
We got no hoes on this bike. We got no bitches on the bike. Just alcohol. YouTube's gonna flag me for the music. Hey yo, YouTube, I got a message for you. How about you suck my... The boys are locked in on the skis. What's your form? Oh!
Last night, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go to the shooting range and we're gonna prop up a picture of Lizzo down at the target and we're gonna tape her to the target and then we're just gonna fucking open fire on it and we're just gonna see how many rounds we can get through the skull. And then we'll just take it from there. He's gonna do a couple rounds. 94 wellness, my God, now it happened to make its way to my YouTube channel. I mean, this guy at 94 wellness is getting his money's worth with giving him a t-shirt is crazy. You might as well, you should make one that's 49 wellness. Dude, I would light Lizzo up with that thing. God. Yo, you better not catch a stray with her with the gun. Then you're smoked. I'll be done.
Dude, you gotta ask them if they have a picture of Lizzo over here. They were terrorists.
Yeah, Osama bin Laden. Oh, they do have terrorists?
Your gender, did you put it in as they?
Oh, I put my gender as I am a she, her. Those are my pronouns. She, her, she, them. She, them, titties. The guy in the green had a heart attack. Look at this guy. Ready? He's gonna... Holy shit. Wow. That is... Oh, I want to get in on that. Guy in the red's got a cock on him. Oh, you have to put support on his back. So you're just getting...
Machine gun is the only thing that you can...
Bro, this thing's insane. Wow.
Yo, Phil liked this thing is. Sadly, we fucked up. We should have went right to Staples, picked up a big ass printer paper of Lizzo. What would she be, a 30 by 80? We gotta come back to the range next and print out an entire 2 pieces of Lizzo and just go ham on it. My man said she'd be easy to hit. That was hilarious. I'm taking a flip of this. I just shit my. Oh my god. They're not even paying her. Free of charge, you get a free cleaning from Todd.